Hello my wonderful and beloved friends, you all are welcome back to my channel Erica's Beauty Touch. On this video I'm going to show us how to make coconut flour and the 9 benefits and uses of coconut flour for your health, skin, and for your hair. So first of all, this flour you are seeing the chaff, I've just finished preparing my coconut rice. So I dried the chaff instead of throwing it away. I know I can make use of it for my other recipe, either for baking or for my hair, skin, and my health benefits. Yeah, the good thing about this coconut is that it is an all-rounder, and not just for your diet but also for your hair and your skin, especially in the winter months. Yeah, this is the one I bought from the store. I just want to compare the difference after making my own. I bought this for like 200 naira. So if you are one of those who believe in the healing powers of natural ingredients, then you probably would know about the health benefits of coconut. The good thing about coconut is that it is an all-rounder, like I said, and not just for your diet but also for your hair and skin, especially during the dry season or the winter month. According to experts, the ingredients can enhance the sweetness of your dessert and also make for a good moisturizer, toner, and makeup remover. We have a variety of coconut derived ingredients ranging from coconut oil to coconut flour and coconut milk are increasingly being used in home, kitchens, restaurants, and packaged food nowadays. You can add this coconut flour to your diet, as coconut can enhance the sweetness of your dessert. Grated coconut flour or coconut milk can be added to your favorite sweet treat. You can also substitute all-purpose flour with coconut flour while baking a cake or making your pie tastier with a filling of tender coconut chunks. Also, it helps to release the goodness of the fruit. Roll your chocolate cookies in a desiccated coconut before baking. To delight your guests, you can also make some refreshing drinks with a variety of fruits such as watermelon, orange, or sweet lime by adding coconut water to it. Serve your girls this coconut milk after meal to aid digestion. If you are also looking to give a twist to your daily fruit smoothies, try a tropical flavored one made of low-fat coconut milk or coconut water to enjoy something cool and healthy. Add tender coconut chunks along with your choice of fruits and blend them together. You blend them together and get the taste of what you want. For those who have a craving for tropical taste of coconut, they can infuse coconut milk or add grated coconut to their curries. In addition, try substituting olive oil with coconut oil to make your salad dressing and temper your delicious dish. This coconut powder is good for the skin and hair care. Coconut oil, or if you don't have it, you can make use of this coconut powder in just adding to your hair cream or your skin. treatment. This coconut oil powder is used in many natural beauty products for good reason, inexpensive and work wonders. Coconut oil can be the perfect product to help ward off the attack of harsh winters. This coconut flour can be used as natural moisturizer, and it will hydrate your skin and keep it nourished all day long. Applying this coconut flour mixed in your cream directly, or mixing a few drops or a few spoons of it to your daily moisturizer, you will make your skin ready to go out. Coconut is not just smoothing your skin, but also works as a natural toner. The fat present in coconut minimizes the pore that attract all the dirt and bacteria and prevent the skin from getting damaged. The toning property of coconut helps in preventing aging by minimizing the pores of the skin. Coconut can be used as a makeup remover. Just to take a dab of coconut powder and rub it gently, turn it into paste and rub it gently on your face. It will remove all the makeup and excess oil, leaving your skin supple and smooth. Friends, if you've watched to this extent, you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Do well and subscribe to this channel. You will keep learning new things, new ideas, new videos. So you on this notification button, so you will be the first person to be notified when I upload my new video. Thanks to my old subscribers, to my new subscribers, you are highly welcome to my channel. In my channel you will see more of DIY, do it yourself, and don't forget to share, like, comment for more video. So what is coconut flour best used for, you may ask? Coconut is commonly used in baking, particularly in baking your cookies, your cake, and bread and muffins, etc. This coconut flour is very good. For those of you who are into ketoing, you know that this coconut flour is very healthy and there is nothing like fat in it. So you can turn this coconut flour into a swallow. If you don't want to eat your gari, your fufu, your suji and the rest, you can make use of coconut flour for all your diet and still maintain your perfect shape. So what is coconut flour, you may ask? This coconut flour is made from coconut meat that has been dried and ground up into a fine powder. When coconut milk is made, the bits left over are often turned into coconut powder. By sunning, you dry it. For this, I dried it like in my room temperature for like 3 to 4 days. The coconut flour is one of my favorite flours to bake because a little goes a long way. It's super absorbent, so you typically don't need much when you are cooking and baking. Coconut flour has natural sweetness to your recipe, which makes it perfect flour for treats and baked goods. Unlike regular flour, you can also safely use coconut flour in no baking recipe. The recipe will give you a delicious and nice taste. Have you tried coconut chin before? You can give it a try. This coconut flour, if you are among those that normally waste your flour after making after cooking your coconut rice, stop wasting it, dry it and turn it into flour. Thanks.